Hey everybody, my name is Andre and you are on Dr. Gradus International YouTube channel. So today I would like to start making pineapple gin. I found really cool distillery which is based in New Zealand. There's their Instagram, they called like 1919. They have really nice products and one of them is pineapple gin. I thought that I would really love to try something like that because I love gin, I love pineapple, and I'm not able to buy their bottle here in Russia and I'm not able to fly to New Zealand, so let's make our own. There's gonna be probably 3 or 4 series about making pineapple gin, so don't forget to subscribe, like this video, hit the bell notification. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in description, or if you like, write me directly on Facebook. I'm also available over there 24/7. If I have time and I'm not asleep, I usually answer as fast as possible. Anyway, let's start. Firstly, we need to talk about malt we're gonna use for making mash. So I have 15.4 kilograms of malt Pilsen. All the malt I have is from Belgium, so it's a kind of the highest quality to buy in Russia. And then I have caramel to 250 grade 1 and 2 kilograms of wheat malt. And then I have 1.6 kilograms of oats, and they already been gelatinized, so we don't really need to worry about adding them to the mash tank. We just mixing everything and mashing for 2 hours. And yeah, let's start. Well, today I'm using the 120 liter boiler, which is in this situation the best option because we have 20 kilograms of malt with oats, and it's better to do it once than do it 3 times on a 40 or 50 liter boiler. It's not a big an issue, but it just saves you more time. Anyway, over here I have electromagnetic pump which will suck all the liquid and recycle all the liquid during the mashing process. Right here, on this edge, I have installed the false bottom which will prevent our heating element to burn out. And on other side there's 2 heating elements. One is low density, another one is high density. The high density is going to be using only when we need to heat up temperature up to 80 degrees. There's going to be 80 liters, so we will save time by using 2 heating elements. And another one with yellow cap is the low density, so that one is going to be used during the mashing process, so it will be work all the time with the heating control box. So we will adjust the temperature and heating element will be turning on and off and adjusting the needed temperature about 63 degrees Celsius, which is needed for mashing. Let's add water. Well, it's been more than 3 hours after I started mashing. 2 hours is actually more than enough, but I had some things to do around, that's why I couldn't take a time. Anyway, the result is great. The wash is absolutely clean and crystal. Right now we just need to transfer it to fermentation tank, and also I will add another 5 liters of syrup, dextrose with water. It will not affect too much on the taste, but it will bring us more alcohol, which is really needed. Yeah, the amount of taste and sugars we have is actually huge. Really sweet and nice. In the morning, it's almost midnight actually. Yeah, in the morning I will add yeast and it's going to be fine. And we're going to be waiting for a couple of weeks when fermentation is going to be done and sediment will be on the bottom of the fermentation tank. That's it for today. I hope you liked this video. If you guys have any questions about any videos, any equipment, calculation of shipping or something like that, write in the comment, write us directly, we'd be glad to answer and help. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, there's going to be more videos about this pineapple gin. Thank you for watching, happy distilling!